Hi Willow Lake artists, welcome back to art. Last week we looked at the warm colors and we made our warm color lions. Remember the warm colors are red, orange, yellow, and even pink because those are bright, happy colors. Today we're going to include the warm colors, but we're also going to use the cool colors, which are greens, blues, and purples. And when you think of the cool colors, those are the cold colors. We normally think of winter colors. Those are supposed to be more mellow colors, not as bright as these colors. So you'll need a piece of paper, and I'm going to use my Sharpie. If you don't have a Sharpie, I would use a black marker or a black pen, because for this project, you definitely want to have a black outline. So I'm going to start with a heart, and I'm going to try to make my heart really big in the middle. So if you don't know how to draw a heart, see if I can find a piece of paper. If you don't know how to draw a heart like this, where you do two halves to make a hole, then you could do an upside down C or a bump, and a bump on the other side, and then bring them down to touch each other. Okay, one more time. You could do a bump and a bump and bring them down to touch each other, or one half and one half. If you want to draw your heart in pencil first in case you mess up, you can. But I want you to draw a really big heart on your paper. Try to put it right in the middle. And then you're going to divide your paper with some lines. I'm going to do a wavy line first. And then I might do a zigzag. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Could do a curve, curve. Maybe a straight line. You can put your lines going all the different ways and directions. I need a new Sharpie. Maybe another one right here. Yours does not have to look like mine, but it could be similar if you wanted it to be. So now I'm going to grab my warm colors because I want the inside to be the warm colors. And I might break this up one more time. Now I like to use markers and crayons. I like variety in my artwork. I like to have a little bit of both. Okay, I like a variety. So I'm going to start with some warm colored markers, but also I'm going to pull out a couple of warm colored crayons. And I'm going to start coloring the middle of my heart. Warm colors, so anywhere it changes, so anywhere you see a line, this is yellow. I could color this yellow. You want to stop when you get to that black line. This is where you have to have good craftsmanship and don't let it cross over. We're doing neat and complete coloring. Alright, and if you remember our color chart, how we color in kindergarten, but boys and girls, this is how we color, period, everywhere. First, second, third, fourth, fifth grade. Okay, why do you think there's a mad face next to this one? This is total scribble scrabble. If you do this on your paper, it means you're not trying to focus in and color in the lines. This one shows me that you really might be trying, and you might be trying your best, but I need us to do this. We should see no white spots at all when we're coloring. And that means that you take your time and you go slow so that you fill in all of your white spots. You don't color like this because that's how it ends up all out of the lines. And now on my background, I'm going to use my cool colors. So I've got cool colored markers and I've got cool colored crayons. And I'm still practicing staying in the lines. Alright, rock stars, and there you have your warm and cool colored hearts. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
Hi, I'm Deja.
And I'm Jacob.
And this is Art Quest. Art Quest! Did you know colors have a temperature?
Like hot and cold?
Yes. For instance, my favorite color is blue. What kind of things does the color blue remind you of?
Blue reminds me of the ocean, nighttime, and polar bears.
Polar bears?
Well, the ice where the polar bears live is pretty cool there.
That's exactly right! Blues, greens, and purples are called cool colors because they remind us of things that are cool, like a lake, a night sky, or a field of grass.
Are there warm colors too?
There sure are. Warm colors includes reds, oranges, and yellows. You know, things that make us feel warm.
Like fire, the sun, and spicy peppers.
Exactly.
What colors are around you? Do they make you feel cool or warm?
Take a closer look because really,
Art
art is all around you.
For more activities, visit us.
After you have created your warm and cool color heart, I challenge you to go around your house and see if you can find one thing that is the warm colors and another thing that is the cool colors. Maybe you could take a picture and share it with me also.